Assalamualaikum and hi. So for today, I will present about the mini project, and I choose the topic is slider crank mechanism, or we can specify is by piston crank mechanism. So let's go to the first slide. So at the first slide, what is the slider crank? So crank were invented in some machine in 20th century. Majority of the phonograph before 1930 were used clockwork motor, and crank as a power combustion, and engines of automobiles were generated with crank before electric starter came into general use. We move on to the next slide. Okay, so this picture shows the simple mechanism of the slider crank. As you can see, the application for the piston, we can see E is represent for the piston, L is represent for the connecting rod, R is the bearing that are connecting the connecting rod and the crankshaft, and the O is the bearing that are rotating the crankshaft. So we move on then. So for the application of the slider crank in the automobile, we can see some few example. Like number one is a reciprocating engines or pump. Next is a combustion engines, and for the C is a rotary engines. So for the theory of the piston crank. Piston crank mechanism arrangement are mechanical part designed to convert linear motion as in a reciprocating piston engine, or to convert rotary motion linear as reciprocating piston pump. Sliding crank mechanism is briefing of a mechanical parts designed to convert linear motion to the rotational motion as necessarily reciprocating piston engines, or it won't convert motion to linear motion as in the reciprocating pump. Burning engines are standard example of this mechanism where the combustion is doing exceedingly cylinder creates pressure which drives the piston.
So
So
this is my prototype for this research. So as can you see, this is represent of the crankshaft, and this is the connecting rod, and this is represent of the piston, and this is the cylinder. So before I start, this slider crank or piston crank the convert from two motion. They are from the rotational motion of the crankshaft, and it's convert to the linear motion connecting to the connecting rod to the piston, and make the combustion inside the cylinder at this empty space. So next I will show you how it's work. So I will explain how it's work. So as you can see, at this point of the connecting rod and the crankshaft, the piston will look like this, and when the crankshaft is rotating, we can see the piston can move forward and backward, and when the rotational process is going, the rotation motion will convert from here into here by the connecting rod to produce a linear motion to ensure the piston can make this combustion inside the cylinder. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.